From the land of white sand and sparkling waters, I drive into the heart of the Konkan coast. In search of ancient cultures, the world's finest mangoes, and authentic experiences. So join me as I bring you the best of India's highways on Follow the Star. The Konkan coast of India is bound by the Arabian Sea on one side and the Western Ghats on the other. The belt runs along the coastal districts of Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. I cover my journey across the three states in two parts. This week, my journey begins at the charming town of Malvan at the Sindhudurg district of Maharashtra. Following south, I visit the village of Parole, where I get off the NH17 and get on the airport diversion road till Kural. At Kural, I get back on the NH17 before exploring an ancient card game in the royal town of Savantwadi. I finally end my day at a holiday destination that's on everyone's minds, Goa. I travel a distance of 133 kilometers primarily on the National Highway 17, the main highway that knits the coastline together. When you do your pre-travel research on Malvan, the first thing that pops up is the Sindhudurg Fort, which was a fort that was constructed during Shivaji's rule. And the only way of getting there is by hopping onto one of these. Although it was constructed way back in 1664, the Sindhudurg Fort still stands strong on an offshore island close to Malvan. All credit goes to Shivaji, the first king of the Maratha clan, who employed 3,000 workers for 3 whole years to construct this architectural marvel. The roads here are clean and traffic free, which is good for me because I have a date with, well, let's just call him the king of mangoes. India's affair with its national fruit began thousands of years ago and even today is of great cultural significance in the country. Legend has it that Lord Buddha himself meditated with his fellow monks in the peaceful tranquility of mango groves. I wouldn't mind some meditation, but first I think I'm going to fill my belly. The Konkan coast is home to the most expensive mangoes in the world. Locally known as Malwani Hapus, most of the population in this region depend on mango farming for their daily income. I'm here to chat with Santosh Konkar, a core member of a brand called Malvan Mangoes. He plays a vital role in exporting fresh and organic Alfonso mangoes to different parts of the country. So I'm with Santosh Konakaraji, who is the manager of this mango orchard, and he's going to tell us more about the mangoes you get specifically in this region.
ये मैंगो जो अल्फांसो है वो आज वर्ल्ड में हमारा एक नंबर का अल्फांसो है। वो ज़्यादा दिन तक रहता है।
अच्छा, तो अल्फांसोस इसलिए सबसे महंगा होता है?
हाँ।
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या है अल्फांसो
महंगा
मैंगो
होता है
का?
इसलिए क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा दिन तक चलता है।
आपका ब्रांड जो है मालवान मैंगोस, उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ बताइए प्लीज।
मालवन मैंगो ये वेबसाइट बनाई है क्योंकि जो किसानों का जो आम है वो सीधा ग्राहक के पास जाए
तो फार्मर्स को आपके थ्रू ज्यादा पैसा मिलता है
हाँ,
और आप ऑनलाइन भी बेचते हो। तो ये यूरोपियन यूनियन ने अल्फोंसो मैंगोस को बैन कर दिया, राइट?
Yes.
ऐसा क्यों?
एक्सपोर्ट होता था वो बंद हो गया ना, इसलिए हमारा नुकसान हो गया। अभी आपने देखा है कितना अल्फांसो नीचे गिर गया है।
नो प्रॉब्लम, यूरोप लोगों को कम अल्फोंसोस मिलेगा, हमें ज़्यादा मिलेगा, तो ये बात तो अच्छा है। मैं आपका वन ऑफ योर अल्फोंसो मैंगोस ट्राई कर सकती हूँ प्लीज़? Like he said, Alfonso mangoes are world famous and everyone's favorite. It's my favorite too. And seriously, these Malwan Alfonso mangoes are yummy. Thank you संतोष जी, बहुत अच्छा था आपसे मिलके और ये मैंगोज भी बहुत बहुत टेस्टी है।
Thank you.
So if you're visiting this part of the country, a must buy are Alfonso mangoes from Malwan. Malwan has been a treat to the eye. It is located right in the middle of two extreme populous urban cities, Mumbai and Goa. And yet, it retains its tranquil charm, which is amazing. Malwan town connects with the National Highway 17 at a village called Kasal. But I've decided to take the airport diversion road and catch the NH17 a little later at Kural town. I'm headed to a Konkan settlement called Parule. I want to explore more of the Konkan culture, and this slight detour may add a few kilometers to my journey, but as long as I'm enjoying my drive, it's all good. A majority of the Konkan population relies on fishing for a living and is settled in villages that are scattered along the coastline. Parule is one such village that is tucked away on the shores of the Arabian Sea. It is now growing in popularity among travelers who come here to experience an authentic farm stay. When you're on the road, farm stays are an ideal way to blend into the local culture of a city. I didn't think I'd find a farm stay in such seclusion, but it's great to know that the idea is gaining popularity in our country. Nestled in the midst of a vast plantation, Machli offers its guests the opportunity to connect with nature and experience traditional Konkan lifestyle. I'm here to meet Priya Samant, the owner of this wonderful property. So I have with me Mrs. Priya Samant at her traditional kitchen where they believe in wood fire cooking and use earthen pots, and she's going to take me through a traditional Malwani meal. आप क्या बनाने वाले हो मेरे
अब
लिए?
मैं मालवनी प्रॉन करी बना रही हूँ।
ओ, मुझे प्रॉन्स तो बहुत पसंद है।
हाँ।
तो आप दिखा दोगे कैसे
हाँ
बनाना?
जरूर।
So मालवानी ट्रेडिशनल करी का फर्स्ट स्टेप ये है ग्रेटिंग कोकोनट्स।
वी हैव टू क्रश कोकोनट और ये थोड़ा सा रस के लिए कोकोनट मिल्क के लिए बाजू में रखते हैं। ग्रेवी के लिए इतना लेंगे।
ओके।
ऑनियन डालेंगे।
वाओ।
अभी ये
क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालते हो जो स्पेशल है, अलग है?
इसमें धनिया डालते हैं।
ओके।
ये पेपर डालते हैं।
ड्राई
लाल
चिली।
मिर्च, ड्राई चिली। ये हल्दी 1 चम्मच ही चाहिए।
तो ये हो गया
हाँ,
आपका
ये-
ग्रेवी का
हाँ।
मिक्स।
अभी ये पीसने का।
So that's coconut, onions, haldi, a lot of red dried chilies, not powder but the chilies itself, dhania and pepper. 6 ingredients to make the gravy for the prawn curry. तो आप क्या करने वाले हो अभी मसाला और
सब
कोकोनट्स के साथ? क्या करना है? बस
ऐसा आप आगे पीछे।
ऐसे कि इसको घुमाना है?
नहीं नहीं।
चलो, तो मैं अब बहुत इम्पेशेंट हूँ आपका प्रॉन करी ट्राई करने के लिए, तो हम शुरू करते हैं इनका कुकिंग। that was my final ingredient of my traditional Malwani prawn curry. And after the onions, the thick coconut milk goes in, and I think that sets off the taste apparently. So I'm going to try it and see how nice it is because it smells absolutely amazing. Ready है?
हाँ.
चलो मैं try करती हूँ. Smells so good. I think it's by far one of the best coconut milk prawn curries I've ever tasted. सच में बहुत अच्छा है. I think मैं पूरा अकेले खा सकती हूँ.
हाँ हाँ.
सच
क्यों
में.
नहीं?
Coming up on Follow the Star, I traverse through the Konkan belt and explore more of its hidden treasures before concluding my day in the buzzing city of Goa.